One, two.
Si Ate Roslyn na daw.
One. Pili ko lahat. One more with you because you're hiding. One,
Thank you.
Sabi na si Ate Roslyn.
It's a baby carrier. Right. Thank you,
just make sure you're level. Hello?
I was looking at.
How many hours left? How many hours left? How does he do this?
Okay, let's go.
Thank you. Kenneth, you have to close it. I need to go. Just call me when you are done.
This is so cute.
The only thing, just make sure that you're level.
Thank you so much.
And try to get that.
Oh yeah,
Not so
it's
much.
good. We're ready. Yeah.
Where are you going now?
Kenneth, you have the other one, right? You have the other.
So it is our family. Thank you. Now you don't have to think of the first one. He's thinking about fear. Thank you so much.
Getting a shot.
It's not Spanish. It should be Feliz.
It depends on the region, so people say differently.
Guys! Ate G! Ate G!
Kenneth, you can have this. Sa ganyan po. How is the level like this? Pero, hindi pa naman. Parang ginanong ko siya, tapos maano pa lang.